Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Well, today's topic is going to be a very interesting one. It's about BORDMAS. So I request you to watch the entire video for a better concept and understanding and clarity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright. So BORDMAS. So when I say BORDMAS, what comes to your mind first? Is it a word? No, it's not. It's the abbreviation of the words bracket, the word of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Alright, so where it is used? Now say for example, if there is any given expression and if you want to solve the given expression, then we will be using BORDMAS. How? Now say if I write the expression 24 divided by say 6 into 4 minus 1. Now is this a given expression? Yes. Expression means what? It's a combination of numbers which will have division sign, multiplication sign, plus, minus and all this. So this is an expression. So how you will solve this expression? Now there might be a doubt you might get. Should I divide 24 by 6 or should I do 6 multiplied by 4? So in that cases what you will do? You will be using BORDMAS. So BORDMAS is basically what? It will help you in solving a simplification or an expression sum based on brackets, the word of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. If you go in that order and if you follow it strictly, you will be ending up getting the right answer. Alright. So first one is B. Like I said already, B stands for brackets. Right. So B stands for brackets. So how many brackets do you know? Now there are 3 brackets. The first one here is called as common bracket or round bracket. You can also use the word round bracket. And the next one you have here is curly brackets, and the next one over here we have square brackets. Alright. So first one is round bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So what is the order of these one? You have to give the first preference to the round bracket, then comes curly bracket, then the square bracket. You have to solve it accordingly. Alright. So this one is for B. Now BORDMAS we also say sometimes as V BORDMAS. Some people used to say V BORDMAS. What does V BORDMAS means? V BORDMAS means V is nothing but it's called as Win column. Win column means the use of bar. If in any given expression, if you come across a bar, say for example if there is a bar on top of any given expression, then your priority goes to the one on top of the bar. So if bar is given, then you will be solving that integers or that numbers. Is that clear? So in brackets, the first one we have to come across bar. So bar will be the first priority. Then the second priority we should go to the curly brackets, the common brackets. Then the third priority should be to the curly brackets, and the fourth one goes to the square bracket. Alright. So first is bar, round bracket, curly bracket and then square bracket. Then you know the rest. Then comes the word of. If you come across the word of, you simply have to multiply those. Then the next one is what? Division. Then we have multiplication. Then we have addition. And the last one is subtraction. So in this order, if you follow, starting with V, you have to give the first preference to bar. Then you check whether it is round bar, round bracket or curly bracket or square bracket. Then you check for the word of, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Whatever the given expression that will be, you will be quickly able to solve it. Alright. Quickly we will see some of the examples. So the first example we have over here is 2 minus curly bracket 5 minus common bracket or round bracket 7 minus 5 minus 3, then the brackets are closed. Now if you observe this given expression carefully, like what we have discussed earlier, in BORDMAS you have to give the first preference to the bar, right? So do you see a bar over here? Yes. So where is the bar? Exactly above 5 minus 3. So while starting my expression, I will always solve the 5 minus 3 first. So what I will be doing, first step will be to 2 minus, open the bracket, 5 as it is, minus, round bracket, 7 minus. Now some students say that what they do by mistake, they take minus 5 and then they solve minus 3 and they write minus 8, which is again wrong. So you have to exactly take what is the number below, the bar below. So what is that one? 5 minus 3 is simply 2. So I will close the bracket, I will close the curly bracket. What is left out now? Now that one is removed. So here you can just simply write over here removing bar. You can write over there removing bar. The next step will be to what? 2 minus curly bracket 5 minus. After bar, if you remember, then what was the next priority? The next one is to solve the common bracket or round bracket. So that is 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. Then that one is also gone. You can write solving, or you can also write removing. What did we remove? We removed the bar, the common bracket. And what was there inside? 7 minus 2. The next one is simple. 2 minus, remove the curly bracket. 5 minus 5 is what? 0. So 2 minus 0, the answer is 2. I hope you are clear with this one. So if you come across in proper order, you will be able to get the correct answer. Quickly we will look at the next sum. In the similar manner, the next one is going to be 10 minus square bracket 8 minus curly bracket 9 minus round bracket 8 minus 5 minus 3. So here how many brackets do we have? I can see bar, and I can also see round bracket or common bracket. I can also see curly bracket. I can also see the square bracket. Now you just have to simply follow the board mass according to its priority. What is the first priority? To solve the brackets. In brackets, win column, the first one is bar. So we will be solving 5 minus 3 first. Then we will move on to the next. So what will be your first step? Simply take 10 minus square bracket 8 minus curly bracket 9 minus common bracket 8 minus. If you observe carefully, I wrote the same thing in the first step. Now what is the first thing which I am going to solve? 5 minus 3. What's 5 minus 3? 2. So I will be writing 2 over here. I will close the bracket, and I will close the bracket with curly bracket and also with square bracket. If you observe, the bar is gone. So what you will be writing on the right side? Removing bar. That will be on the right side. Is that clear? Second step will be what? Write 10 as it is, minus 8 minus curly bracket 9 minus. After bar, what was the priority? Common bracket. So what is there in common bracket? 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 6. So simply write 6 over there. Now if you observe carefully, what is gone? Common bracket is also gone. So right side, what you will be writing? Solving the bracket. And what was inside the bracket? 8 minus 2. So simply write 8 minus 2. And the answer you have written over here as 6. Next one is what? 10 minus, what's the next bracket to be solved? Curly bracket. What is 9 minus 6? 3. So what you will be writing? 3 and the square bracket. Here again you can write solving curly bracket 9 minus 3. You know the answer? Here 9 minus 6, sorry. You know the answer, that is 3. Next one is what? The last step. To solve the square brackets. 8 minus 3 is 5 and simply 10 minus 5 is 5. That will be your answer. I hope you are clear with this one. Let's quickly look at some other sums. Alright. So the example we have over here is 3 into, in common bracket we have 4 into 5 square divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. Now you know you are going to simply apply board mass to solve the given expression. What is the first thing? We will be looking for bar. Do we have a bar here? No. So what is the next thing comes? Brackets. We have only one bracket to solve. So what we will be doing simply is that we are going to start with that. So 3 multiplied by, inside the bracket, what we have? 4 into 5 square. What is 5 square means? 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5, which is 25. So here I will be writing 4 multiplied by 25. So still the bracket is not yet solved. I did not remove the bracket. Then the remaining stays as it is. Equal minus 8 equals to question mark, or whatever the answer they are going to get. Second step will be what? To still solve the bracket. What is 4 into 25? It's 100. So 3 multiplied by 100 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. This is the given expression. Now comes the part. We are doing what? We are applying board mass over here. Bracket is done. We do not have the word of. Next comes what? Division. So here 3 into 100 is there. Divide by 6 plus 7 minus 8. So should I divide 100 by 6 and then multiply by 3? Or should I multiply 3 into 100 then divide by 6? This confusion always comes to all the students. When you come across this one, you simply follow the step. You can divide also, you can multiply also. Just go from left to right. How? Now if I write 3 into 100, that will become 300 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. So 3 into 100 is 300, 300 divided by 6, 6 5s are 30, so here what will be coming? 50. So here 50 for division plus 7 minus 8. What is 50 plus 7? 57. 57 minus 8 will be 49. So simply your answer will be 49. Even if you do the division first, it's still going to get the same answer. 100 divided by 6 will be getting 50 upon 3. 50 upon 3 when you get 3 and 3 will get cut. So simply 50 plus 7 minus 8. When you come across this, just follow from left hand side to right hand side. Just follow like that. Is that clear? So you will be getting this answer. Let's just quickly look at one more sum. That will be, if sometimes you will also get sums like this. Just a small one. 10 plus 10 into 10 divide by 10. All the numbers are same except for the signs are different. So here 10 plus 10 you will be doing, or 10 into 10 you will do, or 10 divided by 10 you will do. Simply follow the BODMAS. What comes first? Brackets. We don't have any brackets over here. Off, we do not have off. Division, yes we have division here. So 10 into 10 divide by 100. But what we have to do first? So 10 plus 10 into 10, you can write 10 plus, what comes over here? 100. 100 divided by 10. Like I said, when you come across division and multiplication together, just follow from left to right. 10 into 10 is 100. Divide by 10. Divided 10 means what? I can also show you like this. So that is 0 0 cut. 10 upon 0 and 0 cut. So 10 plus 10, that will be 20. Now if you don't want to do like that, then how you do it? 10 you write over here plus this 10, and here 10 divided by 10. What is 10 divided by 10? That is 1. If you follow BODMAS, the division if you follow first, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So here 10 plus this 10 over here multiply by the division of this is 1. So 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 10. Still you will get 20 only. Alright. So you don't have to have any doubt. Just follow from left side to right side. Quickly we'll see one more last sum. Alright. The next sum which we have over here. This is the one. So here I have used the word off. So we haven't seen any sum related to that. So this one, how to solve this one? Now if you observe carefully, we have to follow the BODMAS according to its order, right? So first one is brackets. We do not have bar, but we have brackets. We have square bracket and we also have common bracket or round bracket. Like I said, what was the first priority? The first is goes to the bar, then bracket, common bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So no bar, so we are going to solve the common bracket first, which is 18 minus 6. Alright, so the first step which I will be writing is 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 bracket close plus, now solve it. 18 minus 6 is 12. So I will be writing 12 divided by 4. Is the brackets over? Not yet over. Still we have to solve this bracket, right? So we'll jump into that one. So what to solve over here now? So we will be solving inside the bracket. What comes? Do we have the word off after bracket? B, O, there is no. Here it is 1, so 3. Off 2. What do you mean by off? Off simply means multiply. So what I will be writing over here? 72 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. You can also write it like this and extend it to one more step. Or you can also do what? You can directly write down the answer 3 of 2 as 6 plus 12 divided by 4. Why? Because when you have to show it on the right hand side, what you can do? You can write 3 of 2 equals to 3 into 2, 6. On the right hand side, you can just show that one. So you got your answer. What comes after of? Division. So simply we are going to do divide of this one. Now, here you have 12 divided by 6. Here you have 12 divided by 4. After the word of, you are going to do division. Which division you will do? You will do 12 divided by 4 or 12 divided by 6? You have to do the one which is inside the bracket because you did not solve the brackets yet. Right? 72 minus 12 divided by 6. What is 12 divided by 6? 6 2s are 12. So simply I will be writing 2. Bracket close plus 12 divided by 4. What is 72 minus 2? That is 70. So I will be writing 70 over here. Now there are no brackets because we got the answer. Plus 12 divided by 4. Now what you will be doing? According to BODMAS, brackets are gone. After brackets what? Off. Then after that division. So we have division over here. 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4? 4 3s are 12. So I'll be writing 70 plus 3 and the answer is 73. I hope it is clear. This is the first video, the basic one which we have learned. All the 4 or 5 sums which we have learned is the basics. In the future, we will be even taking more harder sums than this one and will be practicing. That will be on part 2 and so on. Thanks for watching.